Welcome to SCC Online, the surest way to legal research. We are thrilled to introduce our latest feature, the Professionals Directory. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple registration process that will enhance your visibility and connect you with the legal community. Have questions about how it works and what it includes? Don't worry, we are here to guide you. By registering in the Advocates section of the Professionals Directory, you will gain access to a dedicated profile that showcases your expertise, enhances your visibility, and creates your very own database of your appearances in reported judgments. Judgments that are accurately collated, verified, and tagged with your consent, allowing your name to seamlessly accompany case details. You control what you want to share and how much. So let's dive in and explore how easy it is to join the Professionals Directory. Visit scconline.com. Log in using your credentials. If you don't have one, you'll need to subscribe. Once you are logged in, it will take you to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard and click the settings icon on the top right. From the drop-down, select My Account. This window will open. You can see it has features like My Subscription, Personal Details, and Directory Listing. As an advocate who wants to register on the Advocate section of the Professionals Directory, click on Directory Listing. Here, you will have consent form. Fill in the consent form, upload your photograph, optional, and choose which contact details you wish to make public. All the details that are mentioned, such as phone number, email ID, office address, etc. You have the option whether you want your personal details to be visible on your profile or not. By checking on the box, you can make it visible on the profile, and if not, you can skip checking the box. Complete the mandatory fields such as primary city of practice, primary court of practice, maximum you can select up to 3 courts, and area of practice, maximum 5 areas and not more than that. To preserve the sanctity and authenticity of this database, you need to enter your Bar Council registration number and registration date. You will also need to upload your Bar Council certificate or Bar Council ID card. Once all the details are filled, give your consent by checking this box and submit the form. If you are registering it as a first-time user, it will take up to 14 days for your profile to be visible. Once it's done, you can check your profile at My Listing. You can find it right beside consent form. All your details will be visible here along with the list of cases in which you have appeared. Further down, you will have a feature called Update My Listing. To keep your profile up to date, use the Update My Listing feature to add new judgments by simply entering their citations. With this, you complete your registration process with SCC Online, where we believe in building an ecosystem that empowers legal practitioners. Once you register with SCC Online, this is how your profile will look in your own account. Let's take this one judgment and click on the citation. A new window displaying the full judgment opens up. In this judgment, just below the headnote, you will find the names of the advocates who appeared in this particular case, including your own name. Once your registration is complete, your name will appear here as a clickable hyperlink. When you click on your name in the judgment, your profile opens in a new window, showing all the details you have consented to share, along with a list of cases where you have appeared in. We have looked at how a senior advocate or an advocate can register themselves through their account. Now, let us explore how the listing looks to the outside world. Those searching for you, that is. It could be the general counsel or in-house counsel of a company or a law firm or even another advocate who's looking for legal experience and expertise in a particular field. SCC Online offers a powerful feature that allows a user to search for advocates based on their area of practice, city, and court. Let's see how it works. From the dashboard, scroll to the bottom and go to the More option, highlighted in dark green. Here, you will find the Professionals Directory. Click on it and a new window will open. Let's say you are looking for someone who practices in New Delhi at the Supreme Court and specializes in arbitration. Simply enter these criteria in their respective fields and you'll get a list of advocates who match your requirements. You can see all the advocates who have registered with us, and you click on any one and you can view their profile, their court of practice, city, and their specialization, and of course, a list of all the judgments they have appeared in. What becomes available is a verifiable source for the availability of this expertise and experience. That's how easy it is now to find the legal help you need with SCC Online.